Hi guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing amazing. So you see this excitement and this smile on my face. I'm so excited to share a news with you all. I have already made a community post about it, so if you have seen it, you would already know that what I'm here to talk about. But in case you didn't, so I'm here to share the news, to make the announcement. So basically, for the last 3-4 months, I was working on a project, and now it has finally come to life, and I'm so excited to share about it. So, are you ready? Drum rolls, please. Ta-da! I have launched my own postcard. I'm so excited. So, here are the postcards. I'm gonna show you the postcards one by one, but before that, I just want to say thank you to you all because, of course, I don't have a 1000 subscribers or a big YouTube family, but still, there was this faith and this belief that I had in this little family that I have on YouTube that I thought to launch a product like postcards. It's not a business that I'm doing, it's just maybe a one-time project. Maybe I'll release another set of postcards kabhi future mein, but abhi ke liye this is it. I had this belief that okay, there are people who have always been very supportive of all the work that I've done or whatever I've shared on this channel and on my Instagram account. You guys have always been there, always supported it, always loved it. So I was very sure that you're gonna love these postcards as well. So if you've been following this channel for a while, you would know that I'm into filmmaking, and since the time I moved to Delhi, I also started taking so much interest into photography as well, because I don't know, I just used to, of course, explore Delhi, roam around, and then I took all these amazing photos, and then I just realized that it's been a lot of years since I've been taking photos. Even when we are traveling, I just take so many photos, and not just like random clicks. Like I wait for a frame, and I thought I really wanted my photos to reach out to people, everybody who loves Delhi or anyone who loves my work. I wanted them to have these photographs that I have clicked, and all of them are from different locations in Delhi. But if you're someone who lives in Delhi or who loves Delhi, who has lived in Delhi, and you want to have that essence of this city, or you want to send that essence and that vibe of this city with, of course, a message, you can get these postcards and send them to your loved ones. Because I'm someone who really appreciates and love handwritten notes, handmade cards and all of that. I have always been that girl growing up who would make birthday cards for everyone that I love, for my friends, my family, everyone. And I would write letters. Even now I do that. So postcard was something I thought that this idea is something that would actually resonate with my personality. So I went for creating postcards. So I'm going to show you all of them one by one. So it's a set of 5 postcards. So to order them, there's a Google form. I'll share the Google form in the description box below and also in the pinned comments, so you can check that out, and you have to fill that out and I'll send you the postcards. So this is the first one. So this is, I'm gonna write a personalized message for you. Now these are the main postcards. So this is the first one. This is Isa Khan Tom in Delhi. This is how it looks like from the back side. So you get to write the address here and your message right here. This is this area for stamp. Here is the location information and my Instagram handle. This is the postcard, and I love this picture so much. This is so vibrant. Next one is this. This is Lal Killa, the Red Fort. Amazing. Like this sky, there's no editing in this one because I just randomly took this picture and I realized that it's so beautiful. And again, at the back you get the location information, and yeah. Then you have this, another favorite picture of mine. All these pictures I've talked about them with all my the close ones, the people who I trust. and they all approved of these photos. So maybe in video you don't get to see the real, how these actually look like, but I'm gonna try my best to show you exactly how they look like and the quality and everything. This is from Sundar Nursery. Again, Sundar Nursery is such a special place for me. Next up is this. If you would closely look at this picture, you would see that there are a lot of carvings here on this architecture, and that's why I love this photo so much. And everybody loved this. ये इस फोटो ने से एक फोटो ने when I joined the photography society of my college. This was also selected for the exhibition. This was also selected in like various competitions and stuff. So I love it. And the last photo is this one again, Red Fort, Lal Killa. So beautiful. I just realized that every picture that you see here is from a very special day. Like the day when I clicked this one or any of these photos are actually very special and close to my heart. So these photographs are very special. You can get them if you fill out the Google form, and the Google form is in the description box below and also in the pinned comments. Just envelope. Love this color. For more details, you can check out the shorts section of my YouTube channel. I'll share a few short videos about where I'm like, packing these postcards. So yeah, that's about it. I launched them on 1st of July. It's 3rd of July today. And I'm just very happy and my heart is full because this is the first time I'm doing something with my own skills, like photography, whatever photos I've taken, it's my own skill and I've created something out of it. So it just feels so good, and sharing it with you guys is such a personal feeling because I still remember the first vlog that I shared on my YouTube channel that I made using my first ever action camera, which is GoPro Hero 9. We went to Kashmir after I got that camera. That was our first trip, and the first vlog that I shared of that Kashmir vlog series, you guys loved it so much. I still go back and read those comments whenever I feel low or I feel unmotivated. I just go back and read all those comments, and it just makes me feel so motivated and so happy. Yeah, thank you so much for always supporting this channel, for supporting me, my work. Yeah, I just hope you guys like the postcards as well. Let's bring back the postcards ever, guys. It's so cute when you send out a handwritten note to your loved ones, to your special someone. I hope you guys have a good time writing the postcards, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.